Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we're doing first impressions. I did a swatch party last week, a couple weeks ago, something like that. And I got some responses saying that y'all wanted to see me do a first impressions of the Unearthly Cosmetics High Temp palette. So this is what it looks like. I think I am getting ready for work because I meant to film this last night, but I got held up at work and I wasn't able to film it last night. So I'm filming it this morning. I know that I've done a lot of looks lately with like these colors. I was thinking about trying these colors here and this color and this color. I was swatching them on my hand last night, doing this, which is kind of a duochrome, and then putting this on top of it, and it kind of made a multi-chrome. So I want to try that on my eyes, on my lids, and see how it turns out. So I was thinking about using like these colors, or these colors here, right here, and seeing how that comes out. I love Unearthly Cosmetics. If I ever get a chance to use this outside of work, I will definitely use those warmer colors. These are a little bit of the cooler colors, and make like a sunset or sunrise look. But I thought, yeah, I know that they can do those bright red colors, definitely for sure, but let's try out these cooler colors that we've got down here and see what we've got going on. If you ever get a chance, if they ever have a sale again, of course they're gonna have a sale again, I highly recommend buying Unearthly Cosmetics stuff. I love their, you know what? I have on here to use a certain blush, but I'm going to use this blush palette that I got from them today. The Spring Magic Iridescent Blush Palette. Oops, there goes that. I don't usually keep those. We're going to use this today, and there are some shiny shades in here, some shimmery shades. So we're going to use something from in here. That's what we're going to do. I had down to use a different blush, but I'm like, why not use that? So I bought that on sale. I bought this on sale. I bought that on sale. So they do have sales. Maybe their next big sale. I probably bought this on their Labor Day sale. Is probably when I bought it. Like 30% off or 40% off. Sometimes they have 40% off. This was their summer palette. Some of their palettes that I totally recommend are this palette, of course. I'm thinking, well, we'll see. We'll see. But that I can definitely recommend. Let's see. Let's try Feverish next. Are there, let's see, their Devour palette, for sure. Their Dreamer palette, for sure. I think they still have the Milkshake palette. I'm trying to think of what they still have. What I saw that they still have. Their Lore palette. Their Fall Magic palette. And I think they still have their Sorcerer's Smoke. Definitely their Sorcerer's Smoke. That's like one of my favorite palettes. Is their Sorcerer's Smoke palette. Out of all their palettes, that's probably my favorite one. Definitely Fall Magic is one of my favorite ones. And Devour and Dreamer are definitely up there. If you ever see those palettes on sale. But if you like 9-pan palettes, Lure and Milkshake are really good. I have their Not Normal palette. I don't think they have the regular Not Normal palette anymore. I think they have remastered that one. But at first I didn't like the Not Normal palette, but I have really grown to like it a lot. And I'm thinking that I might get I would love to get the gargoyle palette. And I would love to get the Not Normal palette remastered. They do sales a lot. I do like their lip glosses. I've bought several of their lip glosses on sale. I like their lipsticks that they have with the Dreamer collection, but they don't put out lipsticks in the regular collection, in the regular section. Okay, we're going into Scald. Oh, I love this color. I love these rich, dark, burgundy type colors. They're some of my favorites. I always thought if I had a palette that this would be a color that I would have in there for sure. So then we will blend. I'm so happy I'm getting to use a new palette because recently I've just been using my old palettes. So getting to use a new palette is really, really something special. Okay, so we got this look going on so far. It's looking really, really pretty. And we're going to work with these shimmers next. First we've got Muggy. And I think I am gonna spray these. And we're gonna put these on the eyelids. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna use my fingers because that's the best method that we got to put on these beautiful, beautiful shimmers. And that's the method that I used when I was swatching them on my arm. So we got this beautiful duochrome here. Let's just get that on both eyes. Okay, and then we are going to take this shimmer called Glowing. Oh, I didn't show you Muggy. So these are the two colors that we are taking. And we're putting Glowing on top of Muggy. And see what we've got there going on there. Okay, I think we've got a nice looking multi-chrome there. Personally, in my opinion, I think it worked. I think it worked out. Or at least a beautiful duochrome there. Let me know what you think, how it turned out. We'll see in the editing how it turned out. Of course, I got it everywhere. Okay, let me put on my eyeliner, clean it up a little bit, and my lashes. Well, I'm not putting on lashes, but let me put on my mascara, and then I'll come back and show you how the eye look looks before I put on my makeup. Okay, be right back. Okay, so this is the look that we've got so far going on. I think the shimmers look pretty good, pretty darn good. In fact, no, I don't think I want to mess them up anymore. There's only 4 shimmers in this pack, in this palette. I might put a little bit more orange here in the middle. Well, all over actually. I was thinking about putting on that yellow, but I don't think that yellow will match. Yeah, because I put purple, yellow, purple, orange, purple, so I want the orange on top. So I think that's befitting. So I'm gonna go off and put on the rest of my makeup, and then we're going to talk about the palette and what I think about it, which is definitely favorable reviews, because this is that great Unearthly Cosmetics formula. So we're going to talk about it a little bit. Okay, let me go put on the rest of my makeup for the day, and I will be right back. Okay, and here is the final look that we got going on here. Let me know what you think. Did the eyes turn out okay? Do we have... Do you think we have a... well, at least a duochrome effect going on here. I was hoping to get to... what I was hoping to get is... we have this color here, which to me looks kind of like a duochrome. That's muggy. And then we've got glowing. And to me that looks like a multichrome there. That was the effect I was trying to get on my eyes. So that looks like a purple, peach, red kind of multichrome. That's kind of what I've got, was hoping to get on my eyes. So I think that if you try hard enough that you can get that kind of look on your eye. So that's the goal I was going for. And I used my fingers, maybe, well, I used my fingers on my hand too. So anyway, that's the goal I was going for. Again, this is the High Temp palette. If I said the Heat palette, I don't know why in any of my videos. I don't know why. I love this artwork. I always love Unearthly Cosmetics artwork that they do on all of their palettes. And then this is the inside. I used this color here, which is called Warm. I used this color here, which is called Feverish, right here. This color here, which is called Scald. Use this color here, Muggy, which I really like. And this color here, which is called Glowing. So I used these 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And so I use those under my, I use the mattes under my eyes as well. So let me know what you think of the look. And I really like this palette, because I really think that, in the beginning Unearthly Cosmetics was pretty good, but I think that they have reformulated all of their stuff now, and they are absolutely excellent. I've got to say it is probably my favorite indie brand. And then I would say Nomad Cosmetics is probably my second one. I don't know which one is my third favorite, but definitely those are my top two favorite indie brands. Absolutely. The only thing is I love buying Unearthly Cosmetics when they're having a sale, because their stuff is very expensive. And yeah, I did use this. This was also from Unearthly Cosmetics. This was the Spring Magic Incandescent Blush Palette. I did use this and this. You can't really see it right now, but I did use those colors on my cheeky cheeks. And they are very glowing. So yeah, you can see that a little better now. So I did use that. And that's what we got. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with your friends if you think that they would like seeing first impressions of this palette. And yeah, thank you everybody for watching. Please do all the things like I said. I don't know. I don't have a formal outro like I used to, but yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, take care. Good vibes. Take care. Goodbye.